another tutorial, and this time it's for Suunto users, given I've been testing out the Suunto run for a few weeks for my in-depth comparison against its key competitors from Garmin and Coros. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to sync your Suunto activities directly to Strava. Now to do this, first open up your Suunto app on your phone and head over to your profile in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to find partner services. Once you click that, you'll see this massive list of third-party apps that you can use to connect your Suunto watch or your Suunto app directly to. In our case, we're going to go ahead and pick Strava from this list. Then you'll see a message here telling you exactly what this connection will do, sharing activities, routes, and other content between the two platforms automatically. Next, press this connect with Strava button at the bottom. The Strava login page should then appear on your phone, and once you've logged in, you'll see these options where you can control what data is being shared between the two platforms. Make sure these two options are checked and then hit the authorize button at the bottom. You'll then be taken back to your Suunto app, and you can see this connected text here right below the Strava logo. And just like that, runs recorded on your Suunto watch will now automatically sync to Strava. Now to disconnect Strava from your Suunto watch and app for whatever reason, head over to your profile, partner services, Strava, and then press this disconnect button at the bottom, and that will now stop syncing your Suunto data to Strava. So that's how you can sync your activities from the Suunto app and your Suunto watch directly to Strava. Now, if you found that tutorial helpful, make sure you press that subscribe button, especially if you don't want to miss out on my epic comparison between the Suunto run, the Coros Pace 4, as well as Garmin's Forerunner 165. See you in the next one.
3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I could flip a dollar to a million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. It's a new day, day's been new. Been a decade since I made it out of rental.